Justicade Hammer. Kill 2 random recruits and 2 random loyalists. For each card killed valued at 2 or less, draw 1 community card and place an allies. So they've got a couple cards, low cards, that hopefully we can get 1 or 2 of them to get ourselves some extra points on our side. So, because that's one good thing about Justicade Hammer is that you can get points and take points from them. So let's see, we need to do this one and this one. Okay, I think we got the low one. Yep, so that's 1 point for us. I'll just put that there as a marker. All right, so we'll give it here. 11 and the -1 would be the best from this row. But actually the 1, not the -1. So I'll take this one, the 7, okay. And this one, the 1, there we go. I'll take that, so 7. All right, and that means we get 2 cards, 7, 2 allies, and a 6, 2 allies. All right, well, there you go. And that's Justicade Hammer.